Hello, what's up YouTube? It's your boy right here, Glowy Judge, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade a $10 account. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade a $10 account. I know that this video is going to be helpful for newbie or people that are new into forex, so keep watching, because as you can see up right here on the at the top of the screen right here, I'm actually on a $10 account. So right here I actually placed NZD USD on a buy order, and as you guys can see right here on the chart, this is actually what I'm having right here. I actually placed it on the 15-minute time frame. So subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you guys how to trade on a $10 account. As you guys can see, this is a $10 account. So let us see how we can move this account from $10 to other amount, like higher amount. I think very soon we enter blues. We will be on blues very soon, so I'm going to keep you guys updated. We already entered blues or on red. I don't know what to say. So subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Let us see how this setup go. Okay, so let me show you guys. Actually, what I traded here is momentum. I use momentum to actually trade this pair. So when I zoom, let us zoom into my 1 minute time frame, and let me show you guys what is actually happening right here in my 1 minute time frame. So as you guys can see right here, where I executed the trade, let me use this stuff. Okay, let me show you guys something. Let me add this stuff. So right here is where I executed the trade. As you guys can see up right here, that's where I executed the trade, a buy order, and I've been trading momentum since, and I've been trading momentum on this $10 account. As you can see, the bulls are actually in high momentum compared to the bears. So I use a momentum to trade this pair, and as you guys can see, I'm currently on profit on this particular pair. Okay, so with time I know that this pair is actually going to go more higher, because I've been seeing a lot of bullish engulfing candlestick far behind before this pair started going bullish. So let us see how this trade actually goes. As you can see, this is actually on a $10 account, nothing more, nothing less, on a $10 account. Is your boy Glowy George. Keep watching and let us see how this actually goes. So let's go over to my 5-minute time frame, which is the pair, or which is the time frame that I actually placed the trading. So let us see how it goes. Keep watching and I'm going to keep you guys updated. Let me pause this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. It's very crucial and very important. Please subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Let me pause this video and I'll keep you guys updated on the trade. So as you guys are seeing right here, this is actually what is still happening. Let's say I'm on loss, right then on profit. Let us see. Well, I didn't do any analysis on this pair. I want to give a disclaimer here. I didn't do any analysis. What I use is momentum. I used momentum on this pair. And if you guys can actually trade, if you want to even use analysis, you will see that the market broke its structure from here, and the market also broke structure from here. So once the market broke this the previous level of resistance, and the market also broke previous level of resistance. If I should draw a line of resistance from this point right here, from this point over to this other point, you see that this market actually broke to this my level of resistance. Here's also another point of resistance. If you draw a horizontal line right here, you can see that the market broke to our resistance, and there the momentum here is actually high. If I'm to place this trade on NZ, if I'm to place this trade on a buy, the momentum is actually high for a buy. That's why I'm still on profit right now. I don't want to close this trade until I start seeing other type of bearish candlestick that will actually give me signal, or will actually give me confirmation that this market is actually going to go bearish. But for now, I'm still seeing the bulls pushing up this market. So let's keep watching and let's keep seeing how the market is going to go. I'm filming this video to show you guys how to trade a $10 account, and as you guys can see, I used a lower lot size. I didn't use 2 lot size. I didn't use 3 lot size. I don't want to blow up my account. I used minimum lot size of just 0.01, and that's why you're seeing that my losses are small and my profits are also small. If I should use higher lot size, you will see that the profit is going to be big. But this is how to grow your account. This is how to learn forex trading gradually. It's not something that you just stay on your own and start fixing in figures. No, that's why you need a mentor. I don't offer any mentorship. I'm just here to show you guys actually how I run my trade. Okay, as you guys can see right here, I'm not going to be entering multiple trades on this because I don't know how this is going to work or how this is going to set up. But I think that if I just enter maybe 0.50 cents or 0.40 cents around that side, I'm going to close this trade. 0.40, 0.50 cents. I'm going to close this trade. So keep watching, keep subscribing. It's your boy right here, Glory George, and let's see how this plays, or let's see how this works. So I told you guys that once I just see 0.40 cents or 0.40 cents or 0.50 cents, I'm going to close this trade. So that's what I told you guys. We have already hit 0.42. Let's wait for 0.52 and let's see how this actually plays. Subscribe to the channel if you're still watching. Subscribe. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to show you guys how to trade on a $10 account. This is actually how it works. I'm not trying to flip any account. I'm just showing you guys how to trade on a $10 account in case you have a $10 account. So let me close this trade right now. So as you guys can see, I've closed the trade and the market is still pushing up. If I want to jump into another trade, I'll jump into another trade, and I grew this account. At least I added some cents into this account. So that's how it works. Don't use higher lot size, use minimum lot size, right? Use minimum lot size so that you won't end up blowing up your account, because no one knows the movement of the market, but we try to predict the movement. Why using analysis, why using technical analysis, and why using fundamental analysis? We try to predict the movement of the market, but nobody knows exactly the movement of the market. Thanks for watching this video. I will catch you up in my next one.